Today's my ride.
Hey guys, so what you're going to see on this video is installation of the Synergy adjustable front Swaybar Endlinks. Here's the tip for that, and this is going to save you a lot of time. That is, get yourself a heavy metal 1/2-inch drill bit. If you have to drill through your Swaybar, it is going to save you a ton of time. Just take it from me, it probably took me 10 hours of failing, having the wrong drill bits. I ended up buying a new drill. That helped, but it still didn't get me through completely. I used, and you'll see in the video a little bit later, the equipment that I used, but I started out with like this black oxide drill bit, switched to a titanium drill bit, titanium coated drill bit, which is used for metal, which I thought was going to do the job, and then that wasn't working very well, and then I finally ended up going with a cobalt drill bit for heavy metal, and that worked. So just take it from me, go straight to the cobalt heavy metal drill bit if you've got to drill a 1/2-inch hole through, or if you have to open it up to a 1/2 inch. There's already obviously a hole there, but most applications I think you have to open up that drill bit or that hole to a 1/2 inch. So if you're going to do that, save yourself a lot of time, go straight to the cobalt heavy metal drill bit, and it'll get you there much quicker and save you a lot of headache. Learned from me. Hey guys, so here is a view of the tools I used. Started out with that drill, bought that drill. From left to right, as you can see, the first one broke and went from I think that's a black oxide DeWalt and a Milwaukee titanium, so just for your FYI, there's a difference between metal and heavy metal. The middle one there, the titanium, is for metal. The one on the right there is for heavy metal, which I ended up buying and which got me through much easier. Then there's the wrenches that you're going to be using, 18s, a 19, and a 15. And then there's some WD-40 for some cutting oil when you're doing your drilling. Alright, my fine feathered friends, I have drilled out the Swaybar to a 1/2 inch, and I will now install the new Endlink, Synergy Endlink. Hey guys, so here's the finished product. For the top you're using 15mm wrenches. For the bottom you're using the OEM 18mm, and then for the locking nut is a 19mm. And if you're in the Northeast, you can see you got a spray for rust all the time, anytime, any chance you get. So there you go, looks pretty good. And then I'll show it again under load so that you can see kind of exactly where I'm positioning the Swaybar under load. Alright guys, so here is it under load. As you can see, it has a slight angulation up, which is kind of perfect. That's what you want when it's under normal load. And then here is the other side. Again, got a slight angulation up. Perfect. Nice. So would I recommend them? Yes, given that caveat, they should have put in there. Alright, so obviously I am not a mechanic, a professional mechanic. It's not what I do. I do this for, I guess you would call fun, if 10 hours of drilling through steel sounds like fun to you. So I had a lot to learn about drilling through steel. I've never done it before. Obviously I've drilled into walls and through some wood, but never through steel. There is a difference between normal steel or soft steel and then a heavy steel. This is a heavy metal, so use the right drill bit and it will get you through it. I obviously failed many times, went to YouTube, found the answer, got it. So yes, in that regard, I would, if you need adjustable Endlinks, I would recommend this. If you can find some that don't require drilling, I would probably recommend those even more from a reputable manufacturer. Just saying. Drilling through that thing sucks, and you shouldn't have to do it, but in this case I did. So it is a recommendation, but with that caveat, if you know what you're doing and you have the parts and you don't want to have to buy new stuff to drill through it, go for it. If you don't have a good drill, the drill bits already, I would say save your money, go with another manufacturer. Doesn't require any drilling through that hole. There you go.